Hi guys. Welcome back to another Shad video, and today I am going to show you how to make an awesome Discord server. As you have seen, this is the first time uploading a video on this channel in a while, and I have decided to get back onto YouTube recently. So, without further ado, let's start the video. So first you will need to create a server. Then, select the type of server that you want to create. After you have done so, then give your server a name. Now, your server is created. Now, you need to think of a good theme, like the main topic of your server. For example, gaming or anime. In this case, let's use anime as our topic. So now, it is time to set up our server based on our theme. In here I would use something anime related as my server logo and name. It's now time to create basic roles, make a member role, a moderator role, and admin owner roles. And make sure to hoist the member, moderator, and owner roles, so the members in your server know who is who. Next, you set up permissions for all roles. It is important to take of mention everyone for member role, because pinging everyone is bad and can piss everyone off. And give the certain perms to the roles as shown here. The next job is to enable community. Before that, set verif level to medium and scan content for all members. Then, follow the steps to create the community. Next, you will need to create some channels, and organize it into categories. Make channels that people will think is entertaining for them and relating to your topic. Some channels I would recommend you to create is a bot and a meme channel, because these channels are found in a variety of servers. Last step, fill out the info channel so people know what to expect of your server. Since we are running short on time, I am going to make another video covering the topic on how to make good info channels. Also make sure to make the info channels read only by denying send messages perms to member roles. And that's basically it. If you have any questions or comments, comment them down below, and be sure to join our Discord server link shown in screen. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like the video because it takes me ages to make these. And be sure to subscribe to the channel, and turn on bell notifications, so you can be notified when we upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching.